So now that we got it working, now we can play around with the parameters. And if you want, you can actually copy in sort of a timer to see how long you can survive. So if you go down there.
Copy code to clipboard.
There you go,
gotcha.
copy the code to the clipboard.
And then put it, like near the end?
Yeah, you have to put it after the display function. So otherwise, if you put it before the display function, it might not show up.
Okay.
And so now there's a nice
we
timer
gotta
there.
See if I can.
Yep.
There. So I lasted for what, 14 seconds.
Mm-hmm. And so
no, that wasn't 14. That was like 1.4. That was pretty short, I think.
Right. So what you can do is you can change the parameters. So the length of the ship, the mass of the ship, the force of the thrusters. And you could try to find like the optimum combination to try to survive for the longest. So why don't you go ahead and maybe make the length of the ship a little longer or shorter?
Okay.
Now this is not actually going to change the appearance of the ship on the screen. It's just sort of like, so let's imagine the ship is like always much smaller than the asteroids, and so changing the length doesn't really make it much bigger on the screen. But do you notice anything different about the way that it moves now?
Let's see if I can try not to die for a bit. Seems maybe a little bit slower. It doesn't seem too different.
So, but how fast does it speed up or slow down when you press the left or right arrows?
It seems to speed up not quite so fast as it did before.
So it can still thrust forward about as well as it did, but the rate at which it spins up is slower, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe you can make the length of the ship smaller so that you can.
Alright, see if I do like half of what it was before.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's much faster. Oh wow. So that's almost, I would say that's almost too fast because I can't. Maybe if you're really good with the timing.
Mm-hmm. But
it's pretty hard to.
Well, what if we left that length of the ship at, was it at 50 now?
50, yeah.
What if we leave it at 50, but then increase the mass of the ship from 3 to, I don't know, what do you want to increase it to? Because that. Okay, so let's try that.
Okay, yeah. So it's slower. That makes sense though, because it's got sort of more resistance to start moving.
Yeah, so it doesn't spin up as fast, but do you notice that when you press forward that it doesn't accelerate forward as fast?
Oh yeah, it's much slower.
So all these
slow,
parameters are all kind of connected together, and finding that there's no like right answer for like exactly what the variables should be to survive. But it's kind of fun to see what the effects are and then play around with it and see. So, try it out for yourself. Let us know what you think the best parameters are. And we hope you had fun with this. So thanks a lot, Julie, for being here today.
Yeah, no problem. See if you guys can beat my score of 21.9.
21.9 seconds. I used to be really good at it. I don't know, maybe I should try at some point. But yeah, thanks everybody for watching.